Well, day 9 of the harvest this year, 29th of July. Had a couple of days rain break. We're just sort of snatching the last field of oilseed rape now. Had 4 fields to do today, at home at Overbury, and then this 2 fields here at Kemerton. So this is DK Extremus, and it's running pretty well actually at the moment. So as we are combining, we've also got the cross-slot drill that's behind, trying to meet the weather. More rain forecast. We had 17 mil of rain yesterday, so we've just given it half a day to get over that rain and dry the grain out. It's pretty fit. This grain has been coming in about 10% when we started, down to 8.5, so that goes straight into store. So, last field of rape, quite a lot of rain forecast for us tonight. Sort of Tewkesbury and the southwest is in that direction. The sky is definitely filling up. So we've got another 20 minutes, half an hour here probably to finish off, and then we'll see what the weather brings. We've still got winter barley to cut. We've still got a little bit of winter linseed that also wants to be in the barn now, so we'll have to hope we don't get too much horrible weather. And we'll be able to carry on in the next couple of days or over the weekend. So, oilseed rape harvest almost done.